Enough Surging Sparks. Time to try this little 151 thing again, ain't that right? Get that Charizard. Let's get it. I hope that everyone is having a wonderful Monday evening. Thanks to all my new subscribers. Subscribe if you want to get in the 300 sub or 400 sub giveaway. And if you like Pokemon and doggies, we got Hollow Energy, Bellsprout, Magikarp, Oddish, Mankey, Ammonite, Tauros, Kadabra, Staryu Reverse, Poliwrath Reverse. Oh! Okay. Dang. I will take it. I already pulled this card once. I think I sold it though. I got it again. Nice!